To create text with custom textures, all you have to do within Affinity Designer is load up a picture of the texture you would like. I'm going to use this metal texture, and all you do is add a text. I'm going to copy this text I have up here. I will select the text and I will drag it as big as I want it to be. What you can also do is resize the texture to make it fit properly. And then all you do is select the text and drag it on the layer. And this is almost it. It's very easy. Next step is going to be to make this look 3D. If you are fine with this look right here, then you're done. If you want it to look a bit more 3D, you have two options. You can either go to bevel or emboss and then select emboss right here and then play around with this. This is going to make it look 3D. Don't do too much. And basically you can see what it looked like on a white background as well as on the black background right here. So you can play around with this and make it look nice or just exactly how you would like it to be. The next step or the next option you have is doing a 3D modification right here. So this is going to look different, but it could also be what you're looking for. You can vary the radius and it's going to give you a ton of different looks depending on how bent you want it to be. And this looks really, really good. It really looks 3D. Usually go for this. It looks realistic, and if you have this on a thumbnail, you're definitely not going to be able to tell that this is just flat text modified to look 3D. So with metal, this 3D effect already adds a bit of glow, shininess. But if you use the bevel or emboss modification, you can also add some inner glow. And this is going to make it look, don't do too much. And make sure you have enough bevel and emboss that you are going to see something right here. And then you can play around with this. And on the intensity, it's going to glow a bit more. But for this specific example, I think I would go with 3D effect, which looks very good. Now let's look at some other text right here. This should be enough for you to do whatever you want it to do. This is going to look super flat. This is supposed to be some carpet. And as you can see, it's going to make it 3D, but it's going to look like you put it in resin or something that made it super hard and not like a carpet anymore. So you got to keep that in mind. But that's basically the modifications we can do super easily with just 3D or emboss section right here, as well as some texture and putting the text above that as a cutout. Between everybody using these high contrast colors, complementary colors, and colors on the opposite side of the color wheel, you are going to stand out because you're not using basic text. It's a bit more advanced and not a lot of people are using it, so this is a nice way to stand out on YouTube. That is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos. Also on screen right now, you can see a video that YouTube thinks you would like.